Okay. What's up, Cravers? It's your girl PuddenTangg coming at you with another video. My name PuddenTangg. Ask me again and I will tell you the same. Coming at you with a quick video. Just a mukbang of me eating some salad. I made it myself. My friend came over last night and he brought this salad. So this is what's left. I just added some tomatoes and some, he had a bag of salad or whatever, but I just added some tomatoes and some jalapenos, some bacon. I got some chicken in here. Yeah, I was gonna do ASMR, but I just love talking to y'all. I need some water. My famous water glass. Y'all, I'm so sorry about that asparagus video. Things went way wrong. Like, I was slurring. You couldn't hear none of my words. Like, oh my God. Tony. What is the deal? Yeah, I was like doing way too much that day. And I was drinking my wine. And I tried to get my video in. And I was no good. So I just want to apologize to y'all for that. Okay? I'm not gonna say it won't happen again, but I apologize. My friend was asking me about my water cup, okay? Now, I'm gonna let y'all in on the secret since we family. Go ahead and subscribe, okay? So, I like to steal from restaurants, just flat out. I'm not gonna front, not gonna lie, not gonna kid with you. I like to steal from restaurants, y'all. I like my souvenirs, okay? I like to know I've been there. You know, don't know if I'll be there again, but I was there. And every time I drink out of my cup, I know where it came from, and I will never forget it, and I love it. So, mind you, I have different type of forks, knives. I got all kind of little, just little stuff. What do you like, the little napkins they give you? I got those. I got all kind of stuff. Just one from here, one from there, one from here, one from there type situation. So yeah. My friend like, is Coke sponsoring you? He like, I need to know if Coke is giving you money for this, because you just got them in every video. And this is just my water cup. Y'all, whenever I know I'm drinking water, it's in this cup. I'm at home. I don't know. So, the story behind this cup is I had took my mom out to eat to this restaurant called Fusions. And it's a buffet, like a Chinese buffet. Sorry, my lips is peeling or something right here, y'all. It's weather, I don't know. But anyway, so we had this Chinese buffet and I decided to go ahead and steal this. This was the last time me and my mom was ever at Fusions. A fight broke out there. Oh my God. And we were celebrating her birthday. And this has been like about 3 years ago. So I've been having this cup for a long time. But we were celebrating her birthday. It was a big deal. Her friends was there. Met up there and everything else. But anyway, so as we eating, these men just start fighting, just flat out fighting. Y'all, let me tell you, we walked our asses on up out of there. We did not pay. We ate and everything. But once that fight started breaking out, we like, I'm talking about they was on the ground rolling, fighting, hitting each other. We walked right on up out of there. And I just made sure I took my cup to always remember. I just crazy, so we had just got there. But, you know, we was only on our first round at the buffet. You know, a girl like myself gotta have a few. Okay? I get my money's worth. But as we was leaving, I politely took that cup. Hell, I still had pop in it at the time. I was drinking on. I wasn't done. So that's the story to my cup. Yeah, this was so good. I just got home from work. I made me a salad. I said, let me sit down and talk to my fam. See what the Cravers is doing today. See what y'all eating on. I said, I'm gonna do this ASMR. I ain't gonna say nothing. Gonna be good. I'm just gonna eat my food, crunch my salad, and log out. And then I couldn't even help it. I should have went ASMR when I did that. Ate that damn asparagus. Well, I was slurring and shit. I was slurring, y'all. Go check out that video. There was so many things going wrong in that particular video. It's hilarious. Me and my best friend stepped back and watched it and laughed because he was the reason I was drunk. Okay? He had just left. So I was just continuing my food. Or I had finished cooking my food and came in here and continued to drink and eat and talk to y'all. So anyway, I appreciate every single last one of y'all. You know, your girl finally hit 100. I started from the bottom, now I'm here type situation. So appreciate all the love, support. Thank you guys. Hope you're feeling great today. I'm feeling great today. She's feeling good today. Yeah. Had to get that out, okay? Ooh, that was a little one. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.